Vanakkam Makkale, happy day guys. This is Pungavidai Kalamegam from Inspiring Imprints. So today is Friday. I'm back with facts. Today I'm going to talk about coding, how to start coding from college and get into a very dreamy job. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it so that you can get to see more coding solutions, some life hacks. Do check out on patterns that I've started from August first week, and slowly we'll be moving on to strings, then arrays, sorting, matrices. Everything are lined up, and I'm also picking up problems from Cognizance, GenC Next, Hack with Infi, TCS, CodeVita, anything to do with placements. So coding, facts. How do you start? Where do you start? Two plans for you. One plan is for a person who have just joined engineering college. So from first year in college, how can you better sell yourself in a better IT company? Okay, so that is one plan. I also have a very fast crash course plan wherein you can touch upon very important things that are frequently asked in any IT company when it comes to coding. Okay, so the two plans you can use. Even if you're out there searching for a job, I can vouch, okay, 2 months is more than enough to get a job. Before you could start the journey on programming that would land up in a job, you'll have to think about 3 essential points to start with. Never ever hesitate to start. And very importantly, you will have to understand what a problem is so that you can give the right solution. So understand and comprehend the problems. You should have a very strong foundation on the basics, be it data structures, algorithm. Fundamentals should be very strongly laid so that you can evolve rightly. So always tend to work in a group. There isn't a company which has just one employee, right? So it is always a team. So when you start coding as a team, the team spirit will evolve in you and appreciate others' work. You will get more ideas. Try to optimize your code by approaching the same problem in different ways. One is where you are consistent and your dedication towards learning is more and more. So learn by doing it and enjoy it thoroughly. The more you keep your heart towards programming, you would like it, and it's easier to learn, right? Don't learn it for the sake of learning. If you're enjoying coding, you're going to make it even more easier. This plan is for students who are studying in the first year of engineering. It could be CSE, IT or EEE, any circuit branch. You can use this plan and get benefited. So let's start. You'll have to start in the first year, and in the second year you will have to strengthen yourselves, and in the third year you will have to shine and exhibit all the experience you have got in all 3 years to attract more companies. Okay, in the first year, actually, you would be learning programming, problem solving, data structures and algorithm. Use all these and become very strong in basics. And in the second year, try to enroll yourselves in coding clubs. Make good friends who are like-minded, who want to solve lots of problems. Also, get exposed to coding platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, HackerEarth, Codeforces. These are few, just very few, hardly 10% that I've given. You could use any of the coding platforms and solve at least 200 problems by the end of first year. In the second year, you would be learning DBMS, and you can start your own mini projects and start concentrating on competitive programming. So your first mini project must be done by the third semester. In the fourth semester, start collaborating and doing projects. Dig deep on data structures. By the end of second year, you should understand which is more passionate, which programming language you like a lot. So from there, you should start strengthening towards your career. Okay. So for competitive programming, definitely you will have to at least participate in 2 or 3 competitions in second year: ACM, ICPC, Hash Code, Code Jam, Kickstart. Okay, these are very high profile, but do participate. The more you participate, the more you will understand the weaknesses you have, so that you can strengthen in the year 3. Okay. So you have identified the language you have a liking. Now set a goal. Which company do you want to get placed in? And align the job roles from that company. Let's say you're going to, your dream is to land in PayPal. So PayPal, and do a research on what do they look for freshers, and start working towards it. Strengthen your profile accordingly. Get a GitHub repository which has everything that you have learned so far. Do a mini project on the niche. So it could be Python, C++, Java, any language. Do an internship again, which is in line with the job roles you are dreaming for. Get ready with a very nice resume. You're all set to fly. Fast track roadmap. I'm going to give you a very simple 45 to 60 days plan, so that you can secure a job even if you have not started programming. Let's say until the 5th semester, you can use this fast track roadmap and get a job in 2 months. You have completed BTech degree, again you can use this fast track. So let's go to the plan. So first you will have to pick the language, okay, and then you will have to practice data structures and algorithm using the language you have picked. Definitely you will have to work on SQL. Also, please bear in mind, you should at least, you will have to finish off 500 problems. Okay, you could get it from any of the very famous platforms like Gooey, HackerRank, HackerEarth, whatever. You can get from any practice platform and finish off. I would highly recommend Geek for Geeks also, wherein you can see the solutions also. Get your resume and the repository ready to convey that you have done enough of groundwork. So I'm giving you a list of 10 items that you should focus on, because we don't have much time, right? In 40 days, we'll have to do a crash course kind of stuff. So please concentrate on this. I have been researching all the problems that have been given to be it Cognizance, Gen Z Next, or Infosys, InfyTQ, Hack with Infy, TCS Digital. All these are mainly focusing on arrays and strings. Okay, some amount of recursion, and definitely you do have binary trees and dynamic programming in medium to complex problem statements. So you should be thorough on these. The first 5 items you should be very comfortable, and the items from 6 to 10, it is mandatory, but it's okay that you know when to apply hashing and when to apply the right sorting that is needed. End of this, you should have completed minimum. Again, I'm emphasizing on that part. Minimum 500. It would be great if you could finish minimum of 1000 problems, okay, with varied complexities. Now you are in the war front. You will have to definitely finish off more than 500 problem statements to win the battle. Okay, so the rest of the 5 days, what you can do is start with SQL, get one mini project ready, keep it in the GitHub, okay, so that you can establish that you are indeed a person who can get a project done. And the next 15 days, do a quick research on what kind of jobs you need, what is the company that's providing that job, fill the gaps. Say you're going to apply for PayPal, which is, if you ask anybody who has attended PayPal, they would be saying binary trees and graphs are the most seeked out expertise. Okay, so you will have to strengthen those parts, get your resume ready and start applying. With the practice done, now you're ready to check if the practice has given you some expertise. So start applying for the jobs that come in campus, or if you're out of college, start applying. In the journey, you will have to learn more. So learn, fill the gaps and keep applying until you get the job. If you're watching this, then you have come till the end of this video. Thanks a lot. I'm very grateful. Keep sharing this, subscribe, and do come back for Sunday stories, success stories. Thank you.